One of the main highlight of Oracle Apex is that we can create any application from prototype and make it live in the matter of few seconds and demonstrate to the user what are the capabilities of the Apex. But you might tell that I need to spend a lot of time creating the table, writing the joins between the table or relationship between the multiple tables, the foreign key, primary key, so on and so forth, add the data and see if the data is proper. So it will take a lot of time, like a day or two. You might tell that this might go against the highlighted product feature wherein Oracle tells we can go from prototype to make it live in a matter of few seconds. So answer is this SQL workshop. Under utilities, we have this component called as sample dataset. Using the sample dataset, we can install the related tables, data and relationships in just a matter of a few seconds, that is with the click of a button. So I will go to the sample datasets under the utilities in SQL Workshop. So there are a bunch of tables or the sample dataset available like the employee department, customer orders, countries, project data. Suppose if your customer asks that create an application to work on few countries data or customer orders project, so and so forth, we can just click on install. It will install the list of countries, population, capital. Suppose if you want to work on the orders, so it will add the details for customer, stores, products and the orders. So it will take care of creating the table, joins, relationships, it will add sample data, so on and so forth. You have to just make sure at a time only one language data can be inserted into the table. Suppose if you go for the Arabic, then you cannot have the English. You can update back to the English. So at a time only one particular language data could be inserted into the table. So I will go for the countries. I will click on install. So it will tell what is the language. Currently, I'm having only one English language for this particular countries. In the case of employee and department, you have to select which language you want. Next, I will select the schema. In my case, I'm having only one schema in this workspace. Click on next. Now it will tell, it will be creating these many components, like this is the table, countries table, region, subregion, intermediates, and there is a view, countries view. I will click on install dataset. So it has created so many objects. We can create an application right with the click of a button by selecting this create application. We don't have to go to app builder and then click on the create application. So Oracle Apex tries to save the time of the user so that users will spend their time just solving the business requirement without worrying about the data infrastructure and so on and so forth. I will just close this. I will go to the object browser over here and see what and all tables it has created. So it has created this EBA countries. Let me just click on one of the tables. So if you see over here, there are few sample queries Oracle has created, that is for building the report, bar chart, so on and so forth. We can just straight away copy and just look at the data. So these are very handy when we are working with few of the components like the bar chart, pie charts, so on and so forth, or building the reports. I will go over to the data. See, Oracle has inserted a sample data so that we don't have to worry about the data and the infrastructure. Just we have to focus on building the application and showcasing the application to the customer. So this is how Oracle Apex solves the problem of building the application from prototype to live in the matter of few seconds or minutes.